But let's take it across to Vivek, find out what Chris Wood from Jefferies has to say about India and whether or not the worst is over.
Well, Chris Wood, in his latest interview in the Economic Times, has actually said and has given quite an important quote. He's saying that he will continue to stay invested as far as the Indian markets are concerned. He believes that the worst as far as the pandemic-induced lockdown, as well as in terms of equity market, he believes that the worst is over. What he also says is that as far as India is concerned, his understanding is that the net recovery rates are improving. And in fact, he believes, even though the caseload is something that continues to rise, and this is something that he has also written in his weekly newsletters, he believes that the death rate in India is really low. The market is probably taking the view, according to him, that the worst has been seen as far as India is concerned. He believes that the lockdown was something that is a bit of a misguided policy. He believes that the lockdown should have never been imposed in the first place, and the lockdown was quite negative as far as the Indian economy is concerned. What he is saying, as far as India is concerned, he would continue to stay invested in India. He believes that there are better markets to invest. However, he does not think that the markets will go back to the lows of March that the Indian markets witnessed. He believes that the government, which has not extended the moratorium, this is a bit of a positive move, and he believes that the restructuring process is much more positive as compared to having a moratorium extension. At this point of time, while he is not positive on Indian banks, he is a little less negative. Again, the most important thing to watch out for is his long-term view on gold. He is extremely bullish as far as gold is concerned. He believes that the fact that the US real interest rates are expected to remain quite low, and he believes while in the short term gold can correct a little bit more, he believes that there was going to be a long-term bull market as far as gold is concerned.